Hi beautiful souls, I hope everybody's doing wonderfully. My take on how I experienced the pandemic. For me, it really taught me to be myself. It really taught me to love myself, to let go of old attachments, of old programming ways, to be a light worker that's stronger, to be free, to be able to experience life to the fullest, and to realize that what your internal being is a reflection of the outside. It is something that not many people can grasp. The moment that you can do that, miracles happen. Love comes through, and love will shift anything, any danger, any fear, anything. That is why I do what I do. I do it with love, I do it with passion, and I live my life the way I desire. And you know, even with Jay, we got closer. We've been able to manifest more trips, more things, more experiences, and we have fun. So yeah, wishing you guys all the best. Thank you for being here and accepting my light.